Amid the slowly, long, and endless exploration, POE has firmly believed that all greatness begins with the small things. From industry-leading equipment, experienced employees, intelligent production, to efficient service, POE keeps a critical eye to demand every employee, every process, and every product. It sticks to its principles from the heart to achieve more assured quality and pursue faster response. To become a first-class enterprise with excellent brands, POE has been exploring its boundaries and obtained a number of patent certifications. Over a decade, it has been moving forward with various reputations. To assemble the best parts into the best product is POE's original intention and its determination to sell overseas. With overseas offices worldwide, it has established the trustworthy POE brand and attracted 4,000 customers and partners in more than 200 countries and regions around the world. From Shenzhen to the world,